So we have a 10-gallon aquarium. And then with this, we have to buy pebbles.
I wanted those.
Yes.
This is all from PetSmart.
And they recommend to do 5 pounds of the gravel.
Whoa, that's so much.
And we also need the water conditioner and a bacteria starter.
And accessory that I wanted. It's so cute.
That's your accessory?
Yeah, this is so cute, guys.
Okay, so first what we're going to do is to open our aquarium. It's a starter kit. And let's see what's inside.
Okay, this is what it looks like inside the aquarium. This is what it's included.
So we have the instruction manual, and we also have the water heater, and it also comes with instructions, thermometer. Yes, and this is the net.
And this is for the testing the water.
Yeah.
You bring it to PetSmart and then test the water. So what if we need to wait another 2 Sundays to get the fish?
Yeah, 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
And we have the power filter adapters and connectors
And there's a next
and the LED lights.
It's showtime! We're gonna clean the aquarium only with water. Don't if you have a new fish that you're gonna get, please don't put salt. Your fish gonna die and don't get it. And you need to wash these pebbles.
We wash this with no
Soap.
Okay, everything has no soap,
soap.
just water.
Yep. It's hard to remove these tape. My mommy tried to get them. My mommy cleaned the aquarium, and then clean the pebbles. Let's go wash our pebbles. Let's wash our arm and feed him too. So when you're done washing the pebbles, you put it inside the aquarium, and then fix your decoration. And I'm still waiting for my another decoration.
And then we're gonna put the
Water. And I'm gonna put water conditioner.
So we're trying to put water now. And let's put the water conditioner. And so this is a 10-gallon aquarium. And it says for 10 gallons, we need to put 5 ml. So the cup comes with measurements. If you can see right here, there's 1, 5, and 10. So how much are we putting again? We're putting 10 gallons is 5 ml.
It's never drink this.
Yes, never drink it. Right. Okay, and let's add more water.
The tank is full.
Now we're gonna set up the water filter. So the water filter that came with it is this one. It says here like water level, and it came with this rubber foam, and it also came with a strainer. So all you have to do is to attach the strainer in there, attach the foam pad right here, and then let's take a look at our filter. It has a detector when to change your cartridge. So right now it's on blue, and if it is dirty, it will change to red and it's time to change the cartridge. And you can see here the water flow adjuster as well. And when we try to open it, you can see the cartridge, the filters. So we have the power filter that comes with it is the model filter 10G. So once this is attached, just pull it all the way so that it reaches your gravel. Then put the cover.
Guys, you can also put
You can adjust it.
You can adjust it, or you can.
When you push it up and then pull it down, yeah, so you
It's
can
like
adjust
a little
it.
surprise.
So we're gonna set up the water heater, and then we're gonna put, what do you call this? The suction.
The suction.
So our suction comes with two parts. Can you show them? Where's the other part? First part, let me see. Like the clip and the suction. So you put the clip right here, and then we just have to clip our water heater. Our water heater has like an indicator for the water level, or that's the minimum water level that it needs to be submerged in the aquarium. You have temperatures, we have Celsius and Fahrenheit.
Guys, this is how you do this again. Here's how you do it. So you just sit there.
Okay, and we're gonna put it in our aquarium. Let's put our water heater on the other side and make sure it's away from your water filter. And so we're gonna submerge it deeper than the minimum water level. Just push it to make sure it sticks at the back.
Let's put the thermometer where we can see.
Let's put the thermometer in.
We need to put some and too big on the filter box.
And in order for it to work, just twist the open and close to adjust the strength of the water. So our water is running and our water heater is on as well, and if you can see, it has a light on. So we placed our water conditioner earlier, and we have to wait 15 minutes before adding our bacteria starter. And the safest way is to wait for 2 weeks before we put in our fishes.
Yeah, look guys, it looks so cool, the water fountain. Wow.
And for the lid, all you just need to do is just put it on top. For water feeder, the lid actually comes with the light right there, and connect the other end to the adapter that came with it. Like so. Connect this. This is an on and off switch.
I think when it's done, And we're gonna open. We're gonna try this out.
Yeah, we're gonna add our bacteria.
It's for
starter.
It's a medicine, I think. It's like a medicine to help it.
So it says to add 5 milliliters per 5 gallons. So we have how many gallons? We have 10 gallons. So we also need 10 ml. So the cup has also measurements. So we can use this.
I'm gonna do it this time. Right now.
Yes, you can pour it. Can you hold the cup, please?
Tighter.
Thank you.
Oops.
So we have 10
And
ml.
we made a huge mess, so I hopefully we don't make a huge mess. It's a medicine for the freebies. And look, instead I'm busy.
Now all we need is to wait for 2 weeks and some of our ornaments to arrive.
Yep, how do you like it? Stay tuned for part 2 when we put the fishes and when we go to PetSmart 2. We went to the store and you need to wash the plants like my mommy did and leave your fish in the bag for 20 minutes.
Yeah, don't put the fishes in yet, right?
Yeah.
So 20 minutes is over. So shall we prepare your fish?
Yes. Guys, you need to put your fish in a bucket or in a container.
You'll just put your fish in the net. Do not include the water from the pet shop or from the pet store. Put your fish in and then hold the bucket.
And put your fish in. Daddy.
Look, there's our fishes. We
Wow.
have 1 yellow fish.
There's 2 striped fish. And there's
then-
1 red fish that we cannot
Where's
see.
your red fish?
Here. She's hiding.
Is she in there?
She must.
Oh,
Hi, she's in there.
there's your red fish.
Fishy. She likes to swim above. She doesn't like to swim like these fish. Guys, look. They're swimming. Then you look, it's like, that's so funny when they. Hope you like my video. Click on subscribe. Bye!